What's up guys, Grant and Connor here. Today we're going to be doing the first video on my Jeep. We're going to be building a storage drawer system in the back. Pretty much because these things have no storage. It's just like a tiny truck bed. Alright, let's do it. Get into it. Here's all the wood we used for the project. It's 3/4 inch MDF, and we had Home Depot pre-cut it for us to save us some time. The other supplies we used were drawer slides, of course, 24 inches, some vinyl matting for the top of the box, and some drawer pulls. Everything else we didn't end up using. It's time to go cut things. Drilling some pilot holes. You. We've got the sides in the back in. We've got them glued and screwed. Sides in the back are both on the bottom piece, wood glued and wood screwed. Glued and screwed, so yeah. Now we're just test fitting it in the Jeep. Looking good. Good, and then we got the top here. The top, when we throw it on there, it is flush. It's a really good fit. It looks like it's gonna like kind of line up with this nicely, and we're gonna do some matting on the top of that, which is definitely gonna end up kind of making it flush and nice. There's the basic outline right there. Yeah. Sweet. A box made of wood. All right, so we really splurged on this project. We got these dirty, soft close drawer slides, ball bearing. I think they're 24 inches. These are some meaty big boys. Are they steel? Steel. Steel construction? I mean, I assume. It doesn't say that. I don't actually know. The thing is, neither of us have ever built drawers or anything. Anything that takes precision, really. And I think drawers you can easily mess up on, which is an issue. It's a dirty rig. Hardware included, big money. These are actually nice. So it's the second day of building this box. Didn't get too far yesterday. We built the bottom, the sides, and the back, and it fits pretty nice in here. Day 2, all new. Day 2, that's new. That's new for you. So here's the plan for today. So since we're building a drawer, it's got to be pretty precise. The slides have to be like even and whatnot. So overnight, Connor took some measurements, did the math, planned it out. We have more wood portioned out into the sizes that it needs to be cut down to, but we're worried that we might not be able to cut it that exact. We don't have a table saw or a chop saw or any type of saw except a hand tool. So we're gonna go ahead and exploit Home Depot for their free saw. And labor. All right, so to measure the box, to measure the preciseness of the size of the drawer, we grab the slides. Sorry. Here, stack them together and measure the width from here to here, which is just shy of 1 inch. And then subtract that from the measurement of the inside edges of the box. And that gives us our drawer dimension. And given that somebody over here got them right, we should be good to go. Hi, Matilda.
She's worked up.
Oh.
She's sad that I left.
After another fairly unsuccessful trip to Home Depot, we almost have the right measurements again.
Yeah, so this is gonna be the bottom of the drawer, and then these pieces right here, this one and this one are the sides, and they're gonna sit out here. The problem with them is they're about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch too long. I think we're just gonna leave that and hang it off the back as long as it doesn't mess with anything, because it's not that big of an issue. The second issue that we've got here is the back and front. If you want to get a little close up right there, don't make it far enough, and so we're gonna have a gap. So to fix that, what we need to do is shave like 1/4 inch, maybe even an 1/8 inch it looked like. I think an 1/8 inch off of this. And yeah, so I guess we shave a little bit off of that and we try to throw it all together. Neither of us have woodworking experience, and this is not none of this is meant to be educational or informative. There's a good chance we're doing multiple things the wrong way, but we're just kind of figuring stuff out as we go, so. Shut up. The night lights are out. They're officially in effect. The build persists into the night. And beads, dude, no question.
We need that caulk scraper.
Just pep around and use your fingertip. Alright folks, it's day 3 on me. Hopefully we finish this bad boy up. It's about to rain. And you know, legend says you cannot paint in the rain.
It's just meant like. Alright, that's on. Now we do the same exact thing on the other side.
I really hope this works, fellas.
Struggling. Oh, yep, it's in. Are you good? Slide? Yeah.
What she said.
Something's catching. There we go.
There we go.
Oh. Wait, what is it, the soft close? It might not.
the weight of the
It might not have enough spring power to soft close it. Okay, so we've got these kind of door not latches, but these little these swing handle things. Pretty beefy, just like whatever Home Depot ones. So what we're gonna have to do here is chisel out a little hole in the middle of our front facade thing, so it'll fit flush. No, that was actually with Taryn. Yeah, you dirty wallaby.
Hey.
Hey.
Walrus.
Oh yeah. When we're done, we need that.
Time to wood glue the shit out of it.
This way, so it pushes it not out.
Cool. Very different. Very. Pull that latch, Connor. Oh yeah, look at Connor with his brand new latch.
Oh,
Stainless steel or aluminum or something. Look at that. Isn't he a happy camper? Give us a smile. Did that get on you, bro? Oh my god.
KUNT?
It's coming. We're definitely gonna have to spread it. It's coming. I don't know what to do though. Like. That's dope. Just keep doing it. Show a load of that. Make sure it gets to the edges, I guess.
What's up, yo?
2 guys, 1 month, couple sheets of MDF, and just a good time, a good all-around time. And what do we have now?
We've got a sweet box.
Yeah, we do.
A drawer.
A drawer box.
A drawer box.
Combo.
It's flush fitment. It's on Stance Nation.
Stance Nation first alert.
We've got finishing touches have been added. I got the lock on there.
Lock, great combo.
Will
187 for all of you out there. The combo to his lock is 187.
Yes, that is true.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be bolting it down to the car, so
Yeah.
you don't need to flame me for that.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not gonna fly up in the air. We're gonna attach it somehow. We
It's
just
gonna
gotta
be
figure out how. But we'll do on our own time. But
It's looking good.
Thanks for watching us build a box and talk about it, learn some things. Yeah. Do what you gotta do, like some stuff.
Subscribe some
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Do your thing.
Yeah, do it. Just do it already.
Just do it or don't.
Whatever.
Just get outside.
Whatever. If you're here, then how are you also there? Ha! Hi, you fucking dirtbag.